Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions. Today we'll show you how to upload full quality images on Instagram. So let's get started. First you have to open Instagram on your web browser because without PC we cannot upload full quality images on Instagram. Go to the plus icon up top. We'll ask you to select images from your computer, so select images from your computer from anywhere you want to. Select one of the images, click open, and crop it if you want to, or you can just click next and write anything out. You can just share the post. So that's how you can upload full quality images on Instagram via PC. Hope you guys like this video, share our videos and subscribe to the channel. Peace.